Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell. Today I'm going to be doing the March unboxing for the Izzy and Liv subscription box. This box was actually delayed. When I did receive it, I wasn't ready to make a video, so now I'm going to do it. I actually won't be receiving a box for the month of April. I will not be receiving that box because I did skip a month. Ooh, okay. So this is the box. This is cute. Open it up. And they just left a note in here stating that the box was going to be delayed because they wanted to include an item. I won't be receiving the robe that they were sending out. So a couple of days later, I actually received the robe and I was so excited. I had to try it on and I absolutely love it. Now, one thing I will say, this robe they sent me is the same as the scarf that they sent me. And I really like this robe, and one thing I was worried about was it not fitting me correctly, and it fits me perfectly, and I love it. Okay, so the first item that I received is this dry body brush. I didn't know there was a such thing. Honestly, I did not. So it says, use your brush gently but firmly on your skin in long strokes towards your heart, usually going over each area 2 or 3 times. At your belly, brush in a clockwise motion. What is that supposed to do? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to read up on it because I never knew there was a body brush. I did not. But yes, the first item is a body brush. Okay. All right, so the next item is the Sweet Vanilla Whipped Soap. Ooh. Let's open this up. Ooh. Ooh, and it smells really good. It smells really good. I've never had a whipped soap before. So the next item that I received came in this pretty little pouch. Ooh, and it is a satin pillowcase. I actually needed another one because I have one, but I needed another one. Okay, so the last thing in the box is the t-shirt that I get every month, which I really love, actually. I really love receiving new t-shirts every box. It's a purple t-shirt. That is cute. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, I like it. I'm gonna have to try this t-shirt on. Okay. And the shirt actually fit perfectly. I love it so much. I said there was an extra item in the box, and this is the bonus item because they could not put the robe in the box. So, like bubble wrap, bubble. So this is a glass water bottle. Okay. How do I open it? I need to open it. All right, y'all. Yes. This is the water bottle, and it says magical on the side. So that was everything that was in this month's, well, not this month's box, but in the month of March. That was everything in my March Brown Sugar box. I'm really happy about that pillowcase and the shirt. I mean, I really like all of the items that I received, so I'm really happy with the box. So yeah, what did you guys think about any of the items that I received in this box? Leave your comment down below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you want to be, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate all of you guys that take out your time to watch my video. Thank you guys so much. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. and today guys I am going to be doing the unboxing for the Izzy and Liv subscription box for the okay. Today I'm going to be doing the April, March. Okay. So, all right. So, oh shit. Always remember guys to smile, or no, wait.